I don't know why or what you say, oh. I think you too loyal, you say, I think you too loyal,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. Okay, so for this video I'm just gonna do like a quick little life update. I feel like the past 2 weeks of my life has just been very hectic, and I'm just here to say that no, I'm not okay, but yes, I will be okay. I feel like people don't usually talk about their issues on YouTube, or they don't really say when they're not doing okay, and that's pretty much me right now. So I wrote down in my book like just a couple of things to let you guys know. Also, I don't want you guys to think that I forgot about the giveaway that I'm doing. I actually wrote to the company, so I'm waiting for them to email me back because I want to know, are they sending me the product and I'm sending it to the winner, or are they gonna just send it to the winner? So I'm waiting for them to respond. I actually wrote to them like 2 hours ago. But yeah, the reason why I haven't been filming is because my camera broke. So I'll just start off by there. I'll just start off by saying that my camera broke. I'm not gonna go into details about how my camera broke, but I'll just say it fell. So moving on, I still don't have a phone, and that's like a major issue. It's so freaking annoying that I don't have a phone. I'm not gonna press the issue on my phone because I just opened up a credit card at Best Buy and I just put this camera. I got the new version to the camera that I had, so I don't have the Canon G7X, the first one or the second one. I have the third one now, and the quality is like HD and stuff like that, and it's like the #1 vlogging camera. So I usually get asked like, which camera do I use? So that's the camera that I'm using now. It's obviously not paid for yet, and I don't know, but I had to have a camera because vlogging and like recording videos, that's like my favorite thing to do. And being that it broke, I literally felt crushed beyond. I felt like my world just ended, and I was not okay with that one. So I just had to figure it out and made sure that I got myself one. So I'm actually not stressing the fact that I don't have a phone. I have one, it's just I don't use it because that's another situation. If you guys see my other videos, you'll know why I don't have a phone and like the whole process that I've been going through with that. But next, so I actually been saying that I want to go to esthetician school, and I made all the necessary steps. I went to the school, I put a down payment. I feel like that down payment is gone because I've left them several messages. At this point, I'm just gonna have to show up, but I don't even want to show up anymore because I feel like they're so unprofessional that I do not even want to continue on that journey with them. I'm looking into another school that's in the city, and I actually requested information already, so I'm gonna make an appointment next week to see the school. Because the other one, I just can't believe, like, I was so excited. I was a little bit discouraged on like traveling to that school. I don't know why. Me looking into the city is like even further, but I feel like the city is just better. I don't know, but hopefully that is a really good school. I had one person DM me on Instagram, and they told me that they went to the school and they really loved it. So that's what made me like really want to check out this school, because I got an actual person's feedback and not someone just from the internet. Because I feel like a lot of the people who write great reviews are people who work at the school, and then like the people who write horrible reviews, it's just like they have one bad experience and then they're just like shitting on the whole entire school. So I was glad to have an actual person tell me their experience. So if you guys know anyone who went to esthetician school, comment below or DM me on Instagram, because I want to know like what they're doing now and if they like it and stuff like that. So if you don't have me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. It is Princess Monet. Instead of an O, it's a 0. And then my Twitter is also Princess Monet. Princess Monet. Instead of an O, it's a 0. And then you can add me on Snapchat at Kiaramonet. Also, let me just add, thank you to my new subscribers. Welcome. I didn't even get to really introduce myself. I realized that I gained like 35 subscribers, being that jcook Cookie Gang posted me on his new video, which that's a whole nother story. That is literally a whole nother story. If you guys haven't watched that video and you guys didn't come from his channel, go to and subscribe to jcook. Let me give you his. He is jcook on YouTube, and we did a spicy public truther there in the middle of Times Square. Now that video was interesting, to say the least. He's very sweet, he's very funny, and yeah, a lot of people in the comments were saying that I'm a cloud chaser, and I really don't know what you guys want me to say to that, because I'm not. I was commenting on the videos because I liked the comments that people were saying. It was very sweet and I appreciated them, so that's why I was commenting back, because I'm not a freaking stuck-up person, so I didn't just let the comments sit there. Of course I'm gonna respond. That day I actually had his camera and I was like recording behind the scenes for him, trying to give him like more content. I introduced myself to his fans because they were like, you know, they were all going up to him, and a lot of them were like, oh my god, are you his girlfriend? And I was like, no, I'm not his girlfriend, but I'm Kiara, like, nice to meet you, like, I'll take the pictures, whatever. Like, I was recording in the background to make them feel comfortable, because I didn't want them to think I was his girlfriend, because obviously I'm not. And yeah, all his fans were super sweet. It was really nice to meet you guys. And yeah, it's just two people who linked up, went to a sneaker event, then went to Times Square and filmed the video. Like, I'm not a cloud chaser. The day that I was hanging out with him, I wasn't like, oh my god, like, I'm with jcook and posting videos with him. I didn't post the pictures that we took together. Like, it wasn't even like that. But for the people who do not think I'm a cloud chaser and came and subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. A lot of the comments said that we should do another video together, and I think we should too, because we had a really fun time. I mean, I hope he told me he had a good time. So even though this freaking guy made me massage someone's feet, I know you guys saw that in the video. I didn't feet is the number one thing in this universe, planet, that I do not like. I do not like feet. The only feet that I like are my own. So instead of like massaging them with my like fingers, I just started massaging them with my knuckles. But he put me on to some really good music. Apparently I have an accent, which I think he has one and he thinks I have one, but I don't know. He put me on to some music and I'm like, okay, hold on, this is like not the typical music that I listen to, but I really liked it, and he added some in my phone, so boom, thank you for that. But yeah, let me continue. What else do I have to say? Oh, I'm getting my hair cut tomorrow. Oh my god, I'm getting it cut tomorrow. I totally forgot. Tomorrow's Thursday, so I don't know when this video is actually gonna go up, but yeah, I'm gonna bring the camera with me, which I'm so excited for, having a new camera. My mom got me a new case and she got me a new memory card, so shout out to my mother. Thank you so much, because without this woman I would not know what to do with my life. So thank you, mom. Yeah, so tomorrow I'm gonna get a haircut. It's been months. I haven't got my haircut since like January, when I first got it cut, and I chopped it like all the way up to here. Now my hair, yeah, because my whole neck was exposed, now my hair is like right up to here. But I don't know if she's gonna cut all the blonde tits. I just said tits. Oh my god, no. Rewind. Okay. Why did I say that? It just slipped. I meant to say tips. The blonde tips. T-I-P-S. And then it might just bring my hair like all the way up to here, but I don't know. I'm like freaking out because I love the blonde. I miss being all blonde, but I don't want my hair to fall out. So this is like me with all dark hair. I don't know. I'm super excited for my hair to be like healthy, because I haven't had my hair healthy in years, and this is probably the most healthy it's been, and it's still not all the way like it should be. So the last update is that me and my ex, we tried to work things out. I really wanted them to work out. We went through a lot of personal things that I will not speak on, but at the end of the day it's just not going to work out, so I have to really move on this time. Those couple of months I wasn't moving on because I really did want things to work out. So I was doing necessary steps. Like, I wasn't talking to anybody else, and I wasn't being out there. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but I wasn't acting like how I normally would act after a breakup. Like, oh, I'm about to go out, I'm about to scoop you, like, get your number, like, you're gonna really take my mind off of this person. Like, I was not doing that at all. I was just like, I want to be with him, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just, when I was with him, I didn't see anybody else. Like, no one meant anything to me, you understand? So it's gonna be hard to get over that and to move on from that, but I realized that that's just what I'm going to have to do. I do plan to stick to what I was doing last time, which is like not going out there and running to the next person, because I know that it's really not healthy to do that. And I feel like I've only ever done that. Like, I've only rushed to the next person instead of giving myself time to really love myself and, yeah, take care of myself. But yeah, that's my little life update. Please comment below videos that you guys would love for me to do. Now that I have my new camera, I'm like so excited, and I just want to film anything that you guys would like to see. So if you don't have me on Instagram, you guys can hit me up there. If you don't want to comment below here, you could DM me video ideas, challenges, pranks, makeup, I don't know, anything you guys want to see. Just please comment below and let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.